Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. This is the second part in which I am going to share how to reuse sweet boxes. In the previous video, we made beautiful gift bags out of them. And these are quite unique and beautiful. And just priceless. If you didn't watch that video yet, you should not miss it. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So keep watching till the end. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. I am using the same kind of box. First I have opened them and draw the shape. I draw a circle with the help of tape and draw same size of triangle. The diameter of this circle is 8 cm. So I am using 8 cm as the size of all the shapes. Then cut them with the help of scissors. We need circles, semicircles, triangles and rectangles. So cut them in various numbers. Here I am pasting them onto different color paper, but if you want you can paint them as they are white in color, so they can be painted easily with acrylic colors. I am using pastel and earthy colors as this is going to be a tribal decor. Few rectangle pieces I kept as it is, means I didn't paste any kind of paper onto them and kept them white. Now with the help of black marker, make the patterns onto all pieces. Mostly geometric patterns I am using because it is a tribal art, and in tribal art these patterns are used. All the rectangular pieces are ready. On black semicircles, I am making the patterns with the help of white acrylic color. If you have white acrylic marker, then you can use that well. If you have white marker, you can use that one also. You can engage the kids in making these patterns and design, and they would definitely love this process. I am just enjoying this process. The patterns, the drawings, it is up to on your imagination. Now all parts are prepared. It's time to arrange them all. After arranging, you need to sew them together with the help of needle and thread, as you can see. I have prepared all the hangings. Now it's time to tie them all. I have taken a stem. You can use any kind of stick or dowel. Center part I kept longer than the sides. This decor is just adding the charm to the decor. And this is made out of waste material only. If you really like this DIY, please comment me in the section below and don't forget to like and share the video. Now move to our next DIY, for which I am using this dry laddu box. When I first saw this, it came into my mind that I can keep my earrings and ring or other small jewelry items into it. So I thought of renovating it. I am first painting it with acrylic colors. I used light orange and blue color. On the box lid as well, I painted a line on the edge. I did 2 coats of colors for finishing. Actually, this is done by my daughter, so it is not that much fine. So kindly ignore that. I prepared the bread as we have prepared in the previous video. To decorate the lid, we can use artificial flowers, Rakhis, handmade flowers or foam flowers as well. I will paste the bread onto box. Don't apply glue directly on the box, otherwise the box will melt as it is made of plastic. So apply it on the bread and then paste it on the box. I am using handmade paper roses. Link of these flowers I will share in the I button as well as in the description box. I am adding some leaves and glitter leaves. Now I am just putting my oxidized jewelry pieces into it. This will save them from entangling and I will find them easily whenever I want. This is just looking amazing and will help you in being organized. You can use this box as gift box as well, as you can put chocolates like Ferrero Rocher into these and can gift on birthdays and other occasions like Rakhi and Bhai Dooj, which is just approaching. This will make the gift more valuable. I hope guys you liked this DIY. Please hit the like button and don't forget to share the video with your family and friends. I hope guys you liked all the DIYs we created today. Please let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. So see you soon with more amazing crafts in the next video. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay home, stay safe, be crafty and bye bye.